Over here, we got my new muffler. I was tired of my muffler being, like, I don't know, about this big. And I bought the smallest one that they got, the loudest one that they got. I also got these clamps, which are pretty freaking awesome, man. You can see how far the end of the thing sticks out right here. And it clamps on and then goes down. I don't know if you can actually see that on video, but it actually tapers down to the size of the pipe. So that will be cool, and it will be easy to take on and take off and stuff, or put on, take off, and stuff like that. So that will be pretty cool. Kind of can't wait for that. I just have to get my old muffler off the truck. That's gonna be a pain in the butt, because I'm pretty sure that thing is on there pretty good. I can show you how I made these. Alright, so we're recording. Huh, what a better time to walk away from the camera. Alright, so this is how I'm trying to make these angles. I already did one. Look at that sucker. A turn down without being a turn down. Cut perfectly. Like right with, the bottom of the pipe here? Well, not perfectly, but close to the bottom of the pipe here or whatever. Just straight clean off cut. I'm about to do this with this one, or attempt to. So what I've already done is just went in this way and cut right here where it starts to curve. And I put a cut this way. Now that'll give me a little ledge so I can try to go ahead and cut downward. Let's see if this works. Yeah, buddy. And then you're gonna I'm just guessing here, man. I've only done one. But then you kind of have to, I made the cut straight in this way. And then you turn your blade this way to start going. And then once you start going, you turn your blade flat. So it'll just go straight down, because you kind of have to work your way into it. All right, let's see if I can get this going, eh? Pipe moved. I'm burning my way through that sucker, wasn't I? Here, how about... What the hell? Let's put it down a little. Let's flip this. Alright. Alright, let's go, pipe. What the hell? There we go. And that's how I made these pipes. Oh wait, I gotta get this one. Not as good as I wanted. It's kind of up more. It's kind of at an angle this way, where I kind of wanted it more flat. But whatever, that works. I don't care. It's not like you're actually gonna see them. They don't exactly line up, but whatever. Put it in this way. I'm gonna shorten it up a little. That's my measuring. Yeah, right about here. hell's moving? I would have made it this time, except this thing was in my way. How far can you go? Boom! Shakalaka. Alright, that's it. Got two. Approximately the same size. Doesn't exactly matter. Actually, I can shorten these up a little. Screw it. Nah, muffler's way too small. Not too small, but it's way smaller than the other one. Actually, I probably could have made these a lot longer, actually, now that I'm thinking about it. Probably could have made them about this long, and it would be where my muffler is now. Alright, whatever. Holy crap, this thing's still recording? Alright. I got two pipes to put on my muffler. Not exactly my best work, but actually they were two completely different angles too. I forgot to show that off. The one was like a good rounded 90, and the other one was just a bent piece. Not exactly this angle, but it was close. One was a complete 90, and one was like this. So I don't know exactly what that would be, like a 33-degree bend, or wait, no, if that's a 90, then what is it? It's not a 40. Maybe it's a 45? I don't know. It looks more like a, I don't know, 60-degree bend, something like that. Whatever. So I'm working with two different angles, so that's why they both look different. They're about the same length. Oh yeah, actually from long tip to tip, they are the same size. Exactly. Damn, how did I do that? I just guessed at that. Not exactly my straightest cuts, but alright, let's get these on. And once I made them, oh, actually, I'm doing it the opposite way. That's right. Okay, so I want them this way. Yes, so I'm going to want them like this, so that they're sticking down. I want the nuts sticking up. Why? Because I'm weird. Nah, I was thinking, we don't really have salt and stuff like that on the roads, but I'm sure there's, mud in my yard every time it rains, or in my driveway, and stuff like that. So I figured put the nuts up. Not only that, it'll make it easier for me, because with a nut driver from the bottom, all I gotta do is hold it with a wrench on the top, and brrr, and we're hooked up. So, oh wait, isn't this? Yeah, there we go. That's how it's supposed to be. It wasn't even in there. Oh man, I didn't even get it in. Alright, so now that's the way it's supposed to be. Now I can zippy zap those suckers down. Here, move that in a little bit. Something like that. There we go. Bam, that's smaller than my existing muffler. So this is going to be fun. If you're wondering, it's a single inlet, obviously. 3-inch, dual outlet, 2.5-inch, dual chamber. And yes, it's a Flowmaster. That's another reason why I put it this way. That way, if you look from underneath the vehicle, you can actually look up and see Flowmaster right on the muffler. So, that's it. Yeah, goofy cuts. Yep. Alright, so now all I have to do is pop the other muffler off, throw this one on, and we got louder pipes. Alright, so if you can see that, that's my existing setup with the Super 44. Starts about there, ends about there. It's actually a little smaller than I remember, but it actually is rubbing up against the frame rail. So, because it's not connected except for way back here by the catalytic, so I'm gonna have to try to fix that while I'm at it. But let's see if I can get this sucker off, and I gotta tighten down the bolts on this other one. Alright, I guess I need one more cold start, right?